Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we'll be looking at three ways in which we can write a program to determine if a number is an odd number or an even number. So in today's session, we'll be looking at how to write a program to determine if the number is an even number. Then we'll be looking at the two methods in which we can find out if a number is an even number or an odd number. Then we'll be looking briefly at the modulus operator that is used in math and programming. Alright, so the first program we'll be looking at is how to determine if a number is an even number. So we'll be using the pseudocode to represent our program or our solution. So here we have start. To start our pseudocode, we're going to declare our variable. In this case, we're going to call our variable number, and the data type would be an integer. So we'll be storing whole numbers. Then the next line in our pseudocode algorithm, we'll be reading the variable, which is number. Then the core part of the pseudocode, here we'll be determining if the number is an even number. So we use the selection control structure, which is the if then, to determine if the number is an even number. So if the variable number mod 2, so we're going to divide the number by 2. If the modulus operator returns the value 0, then we'll print on the screen the number is an even number. Then we end if and then we stop. So this is the pseudocode algorithm for our program to determine if a number is an even number. Okay, the next step in our video is to determine if the number is an even number or an odd number. There are two solutions to this problem. So we're going to use our pseudocode again to represent our algorithm. So we have start. We declare the variable number as an integer, right? Then we read the variable, which is number. Then we'll be using the control structure if then else. And we'll be saying if the variable number mod 2 is equal to 0, then we'll be printing the number as an even number. When we use a modulus operator and we're dividing by 2 and we get the result of 0, it is telling us that the number that we divided by using the modulus operator is an even number. If we got a 1 as a result using the modulus operator, right, then we'll come to the else part of the if then else and we'll print the number as an odd number. All right, let us look at the second solution. And again, we'll be writing a program to determine if a number is an even number or an odd number. So here we have start. We declare our number as an integer. We read the variable number. If the number mod 2 is equal to 1, then this means that the number that we entered is an odd number. So we print on the screen the number is an odd number. If it is false, then else, we'll go to the if then else section of the selection control structure and we'll print the number as an even number, end if. After the end if, then we have a stop in our pseudocode. We'll be looking at the modulus operator. The modulus operator produces the remainder of a division. It is represented by the abbreviation MOD, mod. The modulo operator can also be represented by the percentage symbol as shown here. If a number is divided by the number 2 and the remainder is 0 using the modulus operator, then the number is an even number. If the number is divided by the number 2 and the remainder is 1 using the modulus operator, then the number is an odd number. The modulus operator is used in mathematics and programming. So in today's session, we looked at the following: how to determine if a number is an even number, how to write a program to determine if the number is an even number or an odd number, and we also looked at the modulus operator. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll be looking at the logical operators that are used in programming. Please take care until then. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.